Right, in this video, I would like to break down containerization using an analogy. Imagine there is a Safari operator company that runs Safaris somewhere. And there is let's imagine this company has a survival kit, and these survival kits are sitting in a warehouse waiting for deployment. That will be your Docker image, the undeployed thing, like just sitting in a warehouse. Then there is a recipe or a manual for the staff of the company, so they know how to compose those survival kits and make sure that nothing gets forgotten, that everything is in the survival kit. And in this recipe, in this manual, there could be like, okay, pack water, pack this, pack this, single items. And then there could also be pre-built images, pre-built kits, for example, like pre-built medical kit that another company has built. So in a Docker world, there will be just other images created by other parties, right? So the Docker file, your recipe, your manual could consist of single items, single commands, plus those images. And then there is the containers in Docker world. That is you running around actually using the survival kits. That's the survival kit in use. Yeah. And then finally, there is the Docker runtime environment. That's the Jeep. That's the device that you are using to actually go on Safari. And this Jeep has to be equipped the right way so you can mount, for example, the rooftop tent of your survival kit on that Jeep. So there needs to be a special environment, special runtime environment, so you can run your Safari. That's the Docker runtime environment. There's two more things I would like to explain using this analogy. First one is Docker Compose. So that will be, let's say, a little company, little independent company, maybe owning a couple of Jeeps. So multiple people could go on Safari on different tours, on different Jeeps. There would be different containers running around in the wild. And this company allows for multiple safaris at the same time, multiple trips. And it would also allow those people on those different safaris to talk to each other using the radio of the Jeep. And that will be in a Docker world. There will be just different services, for example, like a backend container and a front-end container, and they're using a Docker network to talk to each other. And finally, now imagine this little independent company scaled up, like running a lot of containers, also in a professional manner. For example, if there was a professional research mission, you would let's say have a goal that you want to accomplish, and there's multiple people going for the same goal, multiple Safari trips. So in case one of the Jeeps gets stuck in the mud, there's another one trying to achieve the same goal. And in Docker world, we call those replicas, container replicas. And to manage such things as high availability and many other more complex things, you would use Docker Orchestrator. And the most popular Docker Orchestrator is Kubernetes and all those derivatives of Kubernetes that are around. I hope this little video helps you to understand all the terminology and the conceptual view of things. And read our blog post to break down the details and get you going in an applied fashion.